Hello and welcome to Excel Masterclass. I'm your host Braj Prajapati, and in this series I will be guiding you through everything you need to know to become an Excel pro. In this first video, we will start with the basics, getting familiar with Excel and learning some essential features like saving and opening a document. By the end of this video, you will be comfortable with the Excel interface and ready to start creating and managing your own spreadsheets. So what is Excel? Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft that allows you to organize, analyze, and visualize data. It is used by professionals in finance, marketing, project management, and more. Whether you are managing budgets, tracking data, or analyzing trends, Excel has the tools to help you. Let's get started by opening Excel. If you are using Windows, you can find it by searching in the Start menu. You can type Excel over here and it will show up over here, and simply click over here to open it. Now to directly open the search menu, you can either press Windows key or you can press Windows plus S key, okay? And you can see in the recent tab there is Excel, so you can directly click over there as well and it will open the Excel, okay? Now in macOS you can use Spotlight search and the shortcut key for that is Command plus spacebar, okay? Once Excel is open, you will see a blank workbook. Click over there and it will open. Now let me walk you through the main parts of the interface. At the top we have the ribbon, which contains all the commands and tools you will need. It is divided into tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, and so on. The entire file is called a workbook and each sheet within it is called worksheet. By default, you will start with one worksheet named Sheet 1, and here you can see a new sheet button. So when you click over there, a new sheet will be added. And you can add multiple sheets by clicking over there. Okay. Excel is made up of rows and columns, and each box is called cell. The cells are where you will enter your data. Suppose we want to create a list of 5 players, okay? So we will add serial number and we will add name. So we will add the numbers, okay? And then we will add the names. So we have created a list of 5 players. Now let's save this document. Go to the File tab in the ribbon and click on the Save As button. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Now give your file a name, that is list of 5 players. And then click on the Save button. Now this document is saved and it is named as list of 5 players. To save the file or the changes you made in the spreadsheet, you can press Ctrl plus S key in the Windows. And for macOS, you can press Command plus S key. Now to open a saved document, go to the File tab again, click on the Open button and browse to find your file. Click on it and it will open in the Excel. To directly open your files, you can press Ctrl plus O key for the Windows, and for macOS, you can press Command plus O key. In this video, we have covered the basics of the Excel, getting to know the interface, entering data, saving and opening files. In next video, we will dive deeper into the working with the data, exploring formulas and formatting your spreadsheets to make them look professional. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching Excel Masterclass. Keep practicing and remember, every great Excel expert started with the basics just like you. I am your host Braj Prajapati and this has been an introduction to Excel. Until next time, happy learning.